Welcome to another medicine ball workout that you can do either at home or at the gym. We have 2 sets. Once we complete a set once, we'll just repeat it. So we'll do 2 sets, 2 times, 10 reps each. If you have a really light medicine ball, you might find that with 10 reps, you're not getting tired. In that case, you should double your reps. You want the muscles to start fatiguing. All right, so getting started, we're gonna come into, I call this standing half march. You reach one leg up. It can go down farther, but you want to balance on one leg. That's gonna help increase your core stability as we do bicep curls. So take the medicine ball to your chest and then extend the arms and then bend. Move at a moderate pace here. We don't want to swing back and forth too much. We're not using momentum, we're using muscles. And we have 10 on each side. We're gonna stay for 4, 3, 2, here's your last one. Awesome, so now just put that foot down and switch sides. Again, we have 10, lift, lower, lift, 8, lift, 7, 6, 5, you've got this, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, moving straight on. We're gonna do a reverse lunge with a overhead press to a tricep extension. So we're gonna step one leg back, bend both knees. Press the ball overhead, bend the elbows, ball comes behind the head, lift, ball back to the chest, come up to stand. Other toes go back, bend both knees, press the ball overhead, bend the elbows. Lift, lower the ball, and stand. 5 on each side, this is number 4. Bend, lift, ball to chest, stand, 4, lift. Elbows bend, lift the ball, ball to chest, stand. Now we have 3 on each side, press, triceps. Ball to center, stand, 3, tricep, extend, chest, stand. Here's 2, press, tricep, lift, ball to chest, stand, 2, bend, lift, ball to chest, stand. Here's your last one. Bend, lift, ball to chest. Last side, here we go. Lift, tricep, lift, chest, stand. All right, our last exercise is a side lunge to a chest press. I'm gonna get a lighter ball for this. I'm getting pretty tired. That one was 12, this one is 8. So go ahead and have both toes pointing forward, they're underneath your hips. We're gonna step out to one side, toes still point forward. Bend into that side knee and take the hips back. Brace the core, extend the arms out in front of you. Ball to chest, and then stand. We have 5 on each side, reach, bend, stand. Step out, reach, bend, step in. Step out, reach, bend, stand, 2, reach, bend. Here's your last one. Reach, bend, stand. So now the other side. Step out, toes point forward, hips back. Brace the core as you extend that ball. Come back to stand. Step out, reach, bend, stand. Step out, reach, bend, stand. Keep breathing. Reach, bend, stand. Here's the last one. Bend and stand. Congratulations. Okay, I'm gonna switch out the weights. 12 pounds. And you can always just select the weight that's best for you in this moment. Second set, we're gonna repeat everything. So come onto one leg, ball is at the chest. Lower, lift, lower, lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Simply switch legs. We brace the core as we stand here. Lower, lift, lower, lift. 8, 7, 6, 5. You've got this. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Going back to that reverse lunge. Take the ball to your chest. Step the foot back, bend into both knees. Press the ball overhead. Tricep, lift, ball to chest, stand. Other foot goes back. Press, bend, lift, ball to chest, stand. Switch legs. Press, bend, lift, ball to chest, stand. Other side. Tricep, ball to chest, stand. Step back. This is 3. Bend the elbows, lift, ball to chest, stand. 3, other side. Bend the elbows, lift, ball to chest, stand. Here's 2. Both knees are bent. Lift, ball to chest. 2 on the other side. Brace the core as you move. And stand. Here's your last one. You've got this. Finish strong. Step to front, back. Lift, bend, lift, ball to chest, and stand. Good, you did it. Okay, so again, I'm switching to a lighter weight. It can be pretty tough to extend the ball out to the side. So, do what works for you. We're going to take the ball to the chest. So here we go. Step out to the side. Toes are pointing the front. Hips are back. Knit the front ribs into the body. Extend the elbows, bend, and then step. Coming down, extend, in, step. Down, extend, bend, step. 3. Keep breathing. 2. And 1. Other side. Step to the side. Extend, bend, step. We have 3. Good. Here's 2. Last one. Awesome. Okay, next set is down on the mat. So go ahead and come on down. And then just lie onto your back. Take a medicine ball in your hands. And extend the arms out. The wrists are over the shoulders. And take the feet up for dead bug. So the knees are right under the hips. If you start to draw them in, it gets too easy. Okay, so from here, extend the right leg out long. Take the arms overhead. Brace the core, knit the front ribs into the body. Arms and leg come back in. Left side extends. Come back in. So we're moving the legs one at a time, but the ball goes overhead each time. Good, extend. Come back to center. Extend, center. So again, alternating between legs. We're gonna stay for 4, center, 3, center, 2, center. Here's 1, center. Good, come up to a seat. We're gonna do a boat pose with rotation. So the feet can be flat on the floor, and you're gonna lean back. We're gonna twist from one side to the other. We don't want the hips and knees to wiggle a whole bunch. So try to keep the hips and knees in one line as you go from side to side. It's pretty hard to do. Mine wiggle a little bit. Spread the collarbones, low belly in and up. If you want it to be harder, float the feet up. If you want it to be hardest, straighten the legs. You're rotating, right? Going from side to side, 10, 9, I think we did a few extra, that's okay. 7, we've got this. 6, keep going. 5, 4, we can do anything for 3, 2, here's 1. Good. Repeating dead bug, go ahead and lie down. Arms up, wrists over shoulders, knees over hips. We're gonna tuck the tailbone to press the whole low spine down into the mat, knit those front ribs into the body. Right leg extends, arms overhead. Leg and arms back in. Left leg extends, arms overhead. Come back in. Right side, in. Left side, in. Stay for 5. 5, good. 4, you've got this. 4, here's 3, 3, 2, 2, and 1 on each side, and 1. Congratulations, we only have one more exercise till this party is over. So coming back into your boat pose. And again, you get to choose where the feet are. Just notice what the knees are doing. Rotate to one side and the other. Rotate. For 10, 9, 8, you've got this. 7, I forgot how to count for a second. 6, 5, 4, feel it burning. 3, we've got this. 2, here's your last one. We did it, congratulations. I am so proud of you. You showed up today, you did a hard thing, and your body and your brain is gonna thank you for it. If you like this class, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your help in this way allows me to continue to make classes like this. You might also share it with a friend who might enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know below. Otherwise, I can't wait to see you soon for more fitness and yoga classes.